If you feel like YouTube is ignoring you, I want you to hear this clearly. YouTube is not ignoring you. Something else is happening. And once you understand it, everything changes. You upload a video, you refresh, you see 10 views, you see 12 views, you see 15 views, and after 24 hours, everything goes silent. That silence messes with your head. Then you start thinking, YouTube is unfair, YouTube is against you, or YouTube is broken. But that feeling you're having is wrong and is dangerous. YouTube doesn't push videos based on emotions. It pushes videos based on signals. Every time you upload video, YouTube asks 3 questions. Who might like this? Will they click? Will they stay to watch to the end? At the beginning, YouTube doesn't have all these answers, so it starts with small audience like 10, 20, 30, pushes this video to them, see how these answers or seeing how these questions will be answered before it now pushes your video to a larger audience. When YouTube shows your video to like 20, 30 or 40 people and stops, it feels personal, but it's not rejection. It is uncertainty. YouTube would rather show your videos to few people than show it to the wrong audience. Here is a mistake that kills growth. Some creators take low distribution personally. They stop uploading, they change niche randomly, they lose confidence. And YouTube have not gotten enough data from their video to understand them. Your job as a small creator or as a new YouTuber is simple. Be clear, be consistent, and be patient. Same audience, same problem, same message delivers better each time. And that is how YouTube stop guessing. It stopped guessing because your message is clear. The audience are clear. It already knows the group of people or the people it will push your video to. And it already knows the problem you are solving. And it understands your message. So you can't say you want growth and assume rejection at the first silence. Silence is not rejection. Silence is processing. If YouTube feels quiet right now, don't panic. Stay visible and stay improving. If you understood something from this video, please subscribe, like and share. This channel is for creators building slowly but seriously.